Myntri Rangbah kajalau konrad ke sangma menha kasibalang ulalai ben pli paidbah ya kacakaya set pistol but rifle kabashi 4 meter indoor precision shooting range kabaningkong jong kacala halum jingsuk demtring manarting kablashna ba pynphriang da shooting association of Meghalaya hagani kasi laidon langru Myntri beri pe ya kamilya ka sport uba bantai dor lingdo district sport officer East Castles ba John F Karsiyeng president jong shooting association of Meghalaya uba Anil shooting general secretary ki nongkit kam ka MSOA bat ka SAM ki Rangbah shnong bat ki wikiwe hani ka sngi Myntri Rangbah ulapan menaru bana kalyang sorkar kan Jingiarap san lak Tyngka chaka SAM kumshi benta banya senyang lang na ka jinglut habapun kre yakani ke indoor range.
I'm particularly very concerned, and I should say very uh, optimistic also at the same time about the entire sporting scenario in the state. And the reason is because, number one, our youth themselves are very much interested in sports and they have the necessary talent to do it. And number two, I've always been a strong believer that sports is a very important aspect of a child's growth. And the reason is not because of just physical aspect, but it's an issue that also affects the person's uh, character. And I've been always saying that when you are a sports person, you look into many aspects like discipline, which is very important in life. When you're a sports person, you need to work hard. Another very important aspect of a person's character. When you're a sports person, you need to focus on things. Again, these are things that you require in sports, but these are also things that make you a much better person, a much more effective person, more productive person. And I think these qualities are very important. And I was mentioning yesterday in Sora that we as a government are very much aware of this, and we would want these kind of skills and ideas to be in our youth. We are working very closely with the Honorable Minister to come up with the sports and the youth policy. And in this youth policy, we are examining different ways in which we could involve and encourage our youth to be active in sports. And there are discussions that we are having where we are trying to figure out how we could ensure that every youth in our state would get an opportunity to follow his or her hobby or passion in whatever way possible and support that through the government's intervention. And the passion could be sports, the passion could be music, the passion could be art, the passion could be dance. I think so. These aspects are coming to the forefront now, and we as a government are very, very concerned and very interested also in this whole issue that we should somehow push this entire aspect of sports into the youth policy and integrate it in a way that we give opportunity to our young generation to follow their passion also. The Shooting Association of Meghalaya, the Shooting Association of Meghalaya, I must congratulate each and every one of you for having done and achieved this particular milestone, and I'm sure that this will go a long way in supporting. I was discussing with the Honorable Minister, and I was discussing with the association, the president of the association, Mr. John Cushing. They were telling me that they've spent about 10 lakhs to build this. So I'm happy to inform you that Honorable Minister and myself have decided that 50% of this cost we will be reimbursing back to you. We'll be giving back to you from our side, so that you can use it further to improve this space or to use it for whatever other purpose that may feel appropriate.